guys, thanks for watching my channel. Today I'll be making spicy tartar sauce. So basically the ingredients what you need for the sauce would be half cup of mayo, half a lime, 1 dill pickle, and 2 chili, just a half an onion, small half onion, and you would need some pepper, salt to taste. So let me go ahead and dice this up and I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, so I diced up the onion, the green chili, and the dill pickle. So I went ahead and I added the onions to this, the mayo and the chopped onions. I'll add the chili, the dill pickle. I'm gonna add some salt, a little bit, because the pickle has some saltiness. So the pickle is really optional, but if you add it in, it tastes really good. I'm just gonna add a pinch of pepper, and I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze my lime. And then mix it up really good. So okay guys, so I'm done. I just mixed it up really good. I checked the salt, it's perfect. So basically you should try it. And this tartar sauce, you can have it with like french fries, fried chicken, fried fish, any kind of fried stuff. It'll go really well. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and if you guys did enjoy my video, please hit like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. See you in my next video.